Anisha from Mount Litra G Senior Secondary School, Sivagangai. I am studying grade 8 Biology activity. Today I am going to tell about the discovery of cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed the slices of cork under a simple magnifying device. He took thin slices of cork and observed them with the help of microscope. He noticed partitions, boxes or compartments in the cork slide. These boxes appear like a honeycomb. He also noticed that one box was separated from the other by wall or partition. Hooke coined the term cell for each box. What Robert Hooke observed as boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. Cells of living organisms could be observed only after the discovery of improved microscopes. Now I am going to show the cork cell. You can see that very clearly. Cork is a part of the bark of a tree and it appeared like a honeycomb. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed slices of cork. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Sumega. I am studying grade 8 in Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to tell a very interesting message for you. That was Louis Pasteur and pasteurization. He is Mr. Louis Pasteur. Pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. The milk is heated about 700 Celsius to 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. This process is discovered by Louis Pasteur. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Sadvika of grade 8 Mount Literacy Senior Secondary School, Sivagangai. Today I am going to talk about conservation of plants and animals. Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of forest and trees. Drought. The scarcity of water due to very low rainfall can be defined as drought. Desertification. Gradually, the fertile land gets converted into desert. It is called desertification. Biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve are areas meant for conservation of biodiversity. Flora. Plants which are found in a particular area are termed as flora. Fauna. Animals which are found in a particular area are termed as fauna. Endemic species. Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. Wildlife sanctuary. It means the place where animals have the facilities to live and have been protected rest of their lives. Endangered animals. The animals which are found in danger to become extinct are known as the endangered animal. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is made up of all the plants and animals and microorganisms in an area along with non-living components and such as climate, soil, river, deltas, etc. Red Data Book. Red Data Book is a source of book which keeps records of all endangered plants and animals. Reforestation. Reforestation refers to planting trees in certain rows to prevent soil erosion. Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am your classmate Sumeka. Agriculture having many methods, but today I am going to explain about traditional methods of irrigation. Traditional method of irrigation. The water available in wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking it to the fields. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So these methods are cheaper and less efficient. The various traditional ways are moat, pulley system and chain pump, deckil and rahat. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Niveta from grade 8. Now I explain about flora and fauna. Flora means the plants grow naturally in a particular area are called flora. Fauna means the animals which live naturally in particular area are called fauna. Thank you.